We have another example on the board. Before we are going to perform any operations, we have to eliminate fraction, okay? How we can do so? Simply multiply both sides of the equation by the denominator. So I'm going to multiply by 2 every single term of my equation. Okay, I have to multiply everything by 2. So 2 times x squared, I'm going to have 2x squared minus 2 times 1/2 x equals 2 times 2 minus 2 times 4x. Copy down, 2x squared. 2 and 2 will cancel out, and we will end up only with negative x equals 2 times 2 is equal 4. Negative 2 times 4 is 8. So I'm going to have negative 8x. Next, we're supposed to bring everything, whatever we have on the right side of the equal sign, to the left side. That's why I'm going to have 2x squared minus x plus 8x minus 4 is equal 0. Combine the like terms. So have 2x squared negative x plus 8x is equal 7x minus 4 is equal 0. Now we can apply the quadratic formula, because this is my a, this is my b, and negative 4 is my c. X is equal minus b plus minus square root b squared minus 4ac over 2a. Okay, so this is equal, b is equal 7. That's why I have to copy down this negative sign. Negative 7 plus minus square root, and I have b 7 squared minus 4 times a, which is equal 2, times c, which is equal negative 4. Okay, everything over 2 times a, which is 2 times 2, equals. I have x equals negative 7 plus minus, and I have square root. 7 squared is equal 49. Negative times invisible positive is negative. Negative times negative gives me positive. That's why I'm going to write positive. 4 times 2 is equal 8. 8 times 4 is equal 32. Everything over 2 times 2 is equal 4. Now I have x equals minus 7 plus minus square root 49 plus 32 is equal 81, and everything over 4. This is equal x equals minus 7 plus minus square root of 81 is equal 9 over 4. X is equal minus 7 plus 9 over 4. Negative 7 plus 9 is equal 2 over 4. If I'm going to reduce this fraction by 2, I'm going to end up with 1/2. This is one of my answers. Or x equals minus 7 minus 9 over 4. Negative 7 minus 9 is equal negative 16 over 4. Negative 16 divided by 4 gives me negative 4. You can say that These are the solutions to my problem.